name's Arthur from Bob Jane T-Mart, Brooklyn Park. Been at the store now for almost 25 years. I'm the current franchisee. I've been a franchisee owner for just over 4 years now. So my journey here, I started off when I was about 15 and a half, just casual Saturdays, working the floor during school hours, and then sort of progressed into a career. I was looking at going either into a mechanical, a crash shop, and had an opportunity through the Bob Jane system. Slowly brought into a wheel lining position. That seeded me through for a number of years. Made a bit of a name for myself, and then got into management. From there, position of 2IC came up, and I'm lucky enough to purchase my own Bob Jane T-Mart franchise. So the culture here is a lot of clientele. We vary from first-gen customers to now their third, their grandkids, or different car ratios that come through the system. So we get a very mixture here, and every day is different. The key success is just having a positive attitude. Every day is a new challenge, so you're always hyped up for what's coming ahead. The customer, that's why I love it so much. Every customer is different. Going outside of work and they see you and they greet you and, hey, my kid just bought a new car, I have to come see you. That's the positive of having the franchise here. The staff is, again, having them, hey, I just did this in my life, thank you for that, or they appreciate you, and you always got to look after them at the same time too.